Okay, it's 5:48 a.m. and just doing another video. This is also part of my main carry now. I have this husky pouch or tool bag, I guess. There's a divider here, and right here I have a cylinder cap removal tool, and also one of those little plastic things that comes with the lock for a follower. And then I also have the Schlage tool here attached to the side here. They always have that when you buy the Husky, you have that little Husky advertisement thing here. I just take that out and I reuse the string. So that's basically what I put there. That also have a Schlage decoder here. And this is a pinkit, a 3-in-1. So that's why I have this Weiser key blank, the Kwikset key blank, and a Schlage L keyway. So it fits into all of the Schlage cylinders. So let me open this up. And then here, my friend, coworker, gave me this. It's a Weiser decoder, and this is a 3-in-1 pinkit. It comes with this card here for Weiser, Kwikset, and Schlage. It gives you the depth of cut, code number, and bottom pin. And the other side, you flip it over. It tells you where to get those pins from. And what I thought of today is I marked when you this covers the pin so they don't spill. Even though I spilled it today. So I lift this up. You see I marked the numbers on the plastic here in the back, 0 through 9, so I can tell when I pick up the pins what pins to get. You know, that helped me out there. So I'll put this back. Put that back down. Close this up. So that's like a little mini pinkit. Also in this bag, I carry. Oh, this is a Pinkit case, but what I'm using it for is to put these tools in. But this is the easy. I think it was the easy loader they call it. So we just drop the spring in there, and it'll fall into the chamber, and just throw in the top pin, and it'll fall into place. It's called easy loader. I think they run for $20. And then of course I got my master cylinder remover, HPC. It comes in handy. And a pin tweezers. And then I also have a lab pin block I put in there. And this is I got from American Key Supply. Small pinning mat. Comes in handy too. You don't have to use it, but when you put your tools down, you want to be quiet. That helps. And of course, a Kwikset tool. And plastic bag, I keep the pinkit and this in there, so it doesn't open up. So that's another little tool bag I keep with my little carry bag right now for now for working at the shop I'm working at. So, all right, hope you enjoy that, and like and subscribe. And again, I'll see you guys today at Jason's Life. All right, thank you. Bye bye.